Hello friends and Trade Ideas users. This is a short video to show you some of the new features highlighted in the new version coming out in Trade Ideas 5.60. I'm going to start with the races. As you can see, we have from previous versions, we have my races running here, but I want to show you some new additions. One of the things that you can do is you can now add and edit symbols. Okay, here's where the action is. Let's say if I want to add, I don't know, Tesla. Everyone's favorite stock is Tesla, Apple, SPY. So we could add that. Okay, add Tesla. And let's also add Apple just for fun. And we'll go ahead and add Apple. So now we have Tesla and Apple are going to find their way into this race. There they are at the bottom. And what will happen is you'll start to see that, yeah, these are great stocks, but is it always where the action is every single day? So it's a nice feature to be able to include those. Now I'd like to show you one other way. If you're looking for a simple race setup, here is a great turnkey starting point. Simply go to File, New Docked Channel Bar. This is an excellent way to just get started on the fly. So you open New Docked Channel and locate Explosive Winners here. Now what we've done to our Explosive Winners channel is we've added a perfect setup with races and new features. Everything's already set up for you, and as you can see, you will notice Spiders, Tesla, and Apple are going to default into these races that are in the docked window. If you don't want them in the docked window, well, this is your option. Right-click and duplicate this race into a free-floating window. All right, now we've got free-floating window, and it's going to start. It's the same race, but now we have the ability to remove the SPYs, Tesla, and Apple if you don't want to see them. So now that it's a free floating window, we can just clear that list and close, and that will get those out of there next time. Okay, empty list. So that is a great way to start with the new docked channel feature and find out some of the new features already created for you. Now let's go into an actual race here, and we've got a brand new feature. We're going to open race setup, and this is called replay mode. Okay. Check right here, auto start last day. Let's stop this real quick so we can configure it. So it is check marked auto start last day replay. And it's going to replay my last race, which was today. Or we could go to today if we wanted to see it right now. But right now, we're in the regular market hours. But if I check this box right here, and this is 5 p.m. Pacific time, I happen to know that 3 p.m. Pacific and 6 p.m. Eastern, the races will default. So what I'm saying is after the market hours are over, the race will default and it'll go into a history mode. And that history mode will show you 6.5 minutes of racing, which is 6.5 hours of trading. Each minute represents 1 hour in the race. So it allows you to go back and look at the prior day and see some of the action that was happening in your favorite stocks. So again, the replay mode, show race setup, and make sure that's checked. If you don't want to check it, you can just automatically do it. Replay the last race. So we'll just hide race setup. Stop the race. Auto check. It'll go into auto replay at 6 p.m. Eastern if you have that checked. If not, you can turn it back on and you can say, show me yesterday, last trading day. So we could click last trading day and we can turn on the race, and it's basically showing us this is based on the last trading day. All right. Additional features to be aware of are the new cloud links. Okay, cloud links can now be appropriated directly to a race, meaning you don't have to find a top list and configure it and grab it and then save the code and then use that. No, you can launch a single stock race very quickly just from coming File, New, Real-Time Stock Race. And notice that we've got this new cloud bank here. We've already got 3 basic configurations, which means you can add more of your cloud links or configurations into this menu for yourself. But for now, if I launch new race window, I can quickly just go show me the biggest gainers. And there it defaults and starts trading the biggest gainers. So again, that's a new feature from the new real-time stock race. You now have the ability to quickly choose a menu that you have set up yourself so you can assign any particular configuration to any particular race. So that should do it for the new version of Trade Ideas Racing. Please feel free to come by our YouTube channel, especially at noon Eastern. We've got live support. You can come in and ask questions. But just remember, this is a great new way to visualize data.